Welcome to the second video of the course, Multimodal Development with OpenAI. In this video, we will learn how to get OpenAI API key. So here I have logged into platform.openai.com. I've clicked on settings, then I've clicked on your profile, and then I've clicked on the tab User API keys. As you can see on this page, this is no longer the recommended way to get API keys. OpenAI recommends using project-based API keys now. So we will click on this button which says View Project API Keys. When we click that, it takes us to Project API Keys page. Before we generate our API key, let's look at this help article which lists down why and how should we use Project API keys. This first paragraph summarizes the whole article. Let's go through it. Projects aim to provide customers the ability to organize their work. Organizations can manage access and limits, provision service accounts, and track usage against a constrained scope within a project. Usage activity can be broken down by project, and users can view billing and set cost restrictions per project. So it basically helps with organizing your OpenAI API costs. We do not need to worry about the costs yet in this particular project. For ease of use, OpenAI provides a default project, which is named as default project here. We can click on the button called Create New Secret Key. We can put in an optional name and click on Create Secret Key, which will create the OpenAI API key that we are looking for. Before we click on the secret key button, I want to show you the restrictions that you can set on this key. We can check that by clicking on this restricted button. Once I click that, by default, you can see that none of the restrictions are set right now. You can restrict this key read and write ability here by clicking on read or write on all of these options. For this course, we do not need to set these restrictions. So I'll click on all and I'll click on create secret key button. Sometimes this might take some time. In that case, just refresh the page and follow the same steps again. Once the key is generated, copy it to someplace safe. Ideally, copy and paste it into your environment file. Once this dialog box is closed, you won't be able to view this key again. That is where it is important that you copy this particular key right now. In the next video, we will learn how we can test if this key is working or not. So that was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.